Take a ride in the 2017 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, front floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.